Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll be fixing the error that doesn't allow Facebook videos to be played on Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first solution is to restart Google Chrome. So we will click on the X mark on the top right corner to close Google Chrome, or alternatively you could type in Chrome:/restart in the address bar and then press enter. So once Chrome restarts, try playing the Facebook video and see if the problem still persists or not. So the solution number 2 is to delete the cache or cookies on your Google Chrome. Simply click on the menu button on the top right corner and then go to settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down where it says advanced. Then under the privacy and security headings, click on the option that says clear browsing data option. Then click on the advanced tab and then check all the 5 options given. Then select the time range drop down and select all time from it. Further go on and click the clear data option and then select yes in the prompt. Once all these are done, log into your Facebook account once again and try to play a video and see if the problem still persists or not. So the solution number 3 involves enabling the flash content. So open up Facebook site and then log in with your credentials. Then click on the lock sign in the top left corner at the start of the address bar. Then select the site settings option and click on flash drop down. Then simply allow from the list and then restart Google Chrome. So once this is done, log in with your credentials and see if the video plays or not. So the fourth solution involves resetting Google Chrome. We will open up Google Chrome and then click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Then scroll down and click on the option that says advanced. Then under the reset and cleanup heading, click on the restore settings to their original defaults option. Then click on the reset settings option. So once the reset is done, log in back to your Facebook account, try to play a video and see if the issue still persists or not. So we hope that one of these solutions would have worked out for you guys. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.